Good afternoon to one another here. In today's video lecture series, we are going to discuss about non-traditional and thermal machining process. First, we will discuss about what is the non-traditional machining process. There are about different types of manufacturing process which is broadly classified mainly into two groups. Some of them are primary manufacturing process and the next one is the secondary manufacturing process. In the primary manufacturing process, it provides the basic shape and size of the particular workpiece or a job. Whereas in case of the secondary manufacturing process, it provides the final shape and size with a tighter control on dimension, surface characteristics, and its features, etc. Primary manufacturing process means it's simply a basic shape and size. Whereas in the case of secondary manufacturing process, it provides the final shape of the particular product with the correct dimension. Material removal process once again can be divided into two major groups. It is of two categories, namely conventional machining process and then is a non-traditional manufacturing process or non-conventional manufacturing process. Conventional machining process mostly remove material in the form of chips by applying forces on the work material with a wedge-shaped cutting tool that is other than that of the work material under machining condition. In the case of conventional machining process, as we had already discussed in this point, the workpiece material hardness should be lesser than that of the tool material. That means the tool hardness should be greater than that of the workpiece material, so that the material can be removed without any parts affected in the improved parts. The major characteristics of conventional machining process are generally it is a macroscopic chip formation by shear formation process, and then the material removal process takes place due to the application of cutting forces that it can either be of energy domain can be classified as mechanical. Next, the cutting tool is other than that of the workpiece at room temperature as well as under machining conditions. These are all some of the characteristics or features of the conventional machining process. Next, non-conventional manufacturing process defined as the group of processes that remove excess material by various techniques involved. Mechanical, it can either use mechanical energy or it can either use thermal energy or electrical energy or chemical energy or the combination of both these energies. They can use mechanical or thermal or electrical energy or chemical energy. But do not use a sharp cutting tool as it needs to be used for traditional manufacturing process. The major feature of non-conventional machining process are the material removal may occur with the chip formation or even no chip formation can take place. It is one of the major features in the case of non-conventional machining process. For example, in abrasive jet machining process, chips are of microscopic size, and in case of electrochemical machining process, removal occurs due to electrochemical dissolution at the atomic level. Next, in non-traditional machining process, there may not be a physical tool present. For example, in the case of laser beam or laser jet machining process, machining is carried out by laser beam. However, in electrochemical machining, there is a physical tool that is very much required for the machining process. In non-traditional machining, the tool not to be other than that of the workpiece material, whereas in the case of conventional machining, the tool should be other than that of the workpiece material. For example, in the case of EDM, electrical discharge machining, copper is used as the tool material to machine the hardened steels. This is one of the major advantages while using the non-conventional or non-traditional machining process. Mostly, non-traditional machining process does not necessarily use mechanical energy to provide the material removal. They use different energy domains to provide the machining process. For example, in ultrasonic machining process or AJM or WJM, mechanical energy is used to machine the material, whereas in ECM, electrochemical dissolution constitutes material removal process. Next, we are going to discuss about some of the different types of classifications of unconventional energy process. Based on types of energy, it can be classified into thermal energy methods, electrical energy method, electrochemical energy method, chemical energy method, and mechanical energy method. Based on the mechanism involved, it is divided as erosion, ionic dissolution, and then vaporization. And based upon the source of energy required, it is classified into hydrostatic pressure, high current density, high volume, ionized material, etc. And based upon the medium of transfer of energy, high voltage particles, electrolyte, electron, hot gases, etc. And these are some of the classifications of non-traditional machining process. In the case of mechanical process, it is classified as AJM, abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic machining, water jet machining, and abrasive water jet machining process. By means of electrochemical process, it is classified into three types: electrochemical grinding, electrojet drilling. And in case of electrothermal process, it is classified as electrodischarge machining, laser machining process, and then electron beam machining process. And by means of chemical process, it is classified as chemical milling, photochemical milling process. Next, we will discuss about why we are in need of non-traditional process. Extremely hard and brittle materials are difficult to machine by traditional machining process. And also when the workpiece is too flexible or tender to support the cutting or grinding process. And when shape of the part is too complex. And if we want to produce big hole with small hole diameter, we can use the non-traditional machining process. And the machining of composites can be also made with the help of the non-traditional machining process. Thank you.